Hello everyone. Today we are going to see Cambridge International AS and A-Level Mathematics Paper 1 Pure Mathematics 1 9709/12 October-November 2022. Let's see the first question. The first question is points A and B have coordinates 5, 2 and 10, -1 respectively. Find the equation of the perpendicular bisector of AB. So the points A and B are given. For that, we need to find the perpendicular bisector. So if you joined A and B from the midpoint, if you draw a line which is perpendicular to the line AB, then it is a perpendicular bisector. So for that, first we need to find the gradient of AB. Gradient of AB is y2 minus y1, that is minus -1 minus 2 divided by 10 minus 5, which is equal to -3/5. So then to find the equation of the perpendicular bisector, first we need to find the center of the line AB. So this point we need to find, that is the midpoint of AB. Midpoint of AB is x1 plus x2 divided by 2, that is 5 plus 10 divided by 2, and the y coordinate is 2, -1 divided by 2, so which is nothing but 15/2, 1/2. This is midpoint of AB. And the gradient of the perpendicular bisector is negative inverse of the gradient of AB. So gradient of perpendicular bisector is negative. Already negative is there, it will become positive, so 5/3. So the equation is of perpendicular bisector is y minus y1. For x1, y1 we are going to take the midpoint value 15/2, 1/2, because this point is on the line, so we will take that y1 is 1/2 equal to gradient is 5/3 multiplied by x minus x1 is 15/2. So y is equal to 5/3x minus 15/2 multiplied by 5/3 plus 1/2. On simplification, you will get y is equal to 5/3x. Here you will get 25/2. Negative 25/2 plus 1/2 gives negative 24/2, which is nothing but -12. The next part is find the equation of the circle with center A which passes through B. So the center is A, 5, 2, and it passes through the point B, 10, -1. So the equation of circle is x minus the center x1, that is 5, the whole square, plus y minus, from the center the y coordinate is 2. So 2 the whole square equal to r square. So we need to find the radius r now. So r square is nothing but we can use the distance formula to calculate the radius. That is the distance between the point center, the center point A to the point B, which is on the circle. So minus 1 minus 2 the whole square plus 10 minus 5 the whole square, which is equal to 9 plus 25, nothing but 34. So the equation of the circle is x minus 5 the whole square plus y minus 2 the whole square equal to 34. The second question is the first, second and third terms of an arithmetic progression are a, 2a and a squared respectively, where a is a positive constant. Find the sum of the first 50 terms of the progression. I hope you know the general term for the arithmetic progression. It is a plus n minus 1 multiplied by d. So here it's given the first term is a, the second term is a plus d, which is equal to 2a, it's given, and a plus 2d is the third term, which is equal to a square. So by solving these three equations, we will get the value of a and d. Let us mark this as 1, 2 and 3. So from equation 2, we will get the value of d in terms of a, that is 2a minus a, which is equal to a. So d is equal to a. Substitute this in the equation 3. So you'll get a plus, for d you substitute a. So 2a is equal to a square. That is 3a equal to a square. So a is equal to 3. So when a is equal to 3, then d is also equal to 3. So now we need to find the sum of the first 50 terms. So S50 is equal to n over 2. N is 50 here over 2. 2a, so 2 multiplied by 3 plus n minus 1, 49, multiplied by d, that is 3. On simplifying this, you will get 3825. Find the set of values of k for which the equation 8x square plus kx plus 2 is equal to 0 has no real roots. So it's a quadratic equation is given. So we have to find out b squared minus 4ac to know the nature of the roots. Here the nature is given us, it has no real roots. So first let us find out b squared minus 4ac. B square is k square minus 4, a is 8 and c is 2. Has no real roots, that means this is less than 0. So k square minus 64 is less than 0. So to solve this inequality, let's draw a sketch of a curve. So we are looking for all the values for which the curve is below the x-axis. So now by the sketch we see the curve crosses the x-axis. Assume it crosses the x-axis, then k square minus 64 is equal to 0. So k will be plus or minus 8. So mark this as negative 8 and this is positive 8. So now we are looking for all the values for which the curve is below the x-axis. So this part. So we can write the inequality as k lies between minus 8 and plus 8. So when k is between minus 8 and plus 8, the equation will have no real roots. Solve the equation 8 cos square theta minus 10 cos theta plus 2 is equal to 0. So we'll use a quadratic formula to solve this equation. So cos theta is equal to minus into minus, it will become plus 10 plus or minus square root of b square is 100 minus 4, a is 8, c is 2 divided by 2 multiplied by 8. So cos theta is equal to 10 plus or minus 100 minus 64, that is 36. Square root of 36 is 6 divided by 16. So cos theta is 10 plus 6 over 16 is, you will get 1, and cos theta equal to 10 minus 6, that is 4. 4 over 16, it is 1 over 4. So theta is equal to cos inverse of 1, and here cos inverse of 1 is nothing but 0 degree. And here theta is equal to cos inverse of 1 over 4, which is equal to 75.5 degree. So theta is equal to 0, 75.5. The next question is, a geometric progression is such that the third term is 1764 and the sum of the second and third term is 3444. Find the 50th term. Find the 50th term. The geometric progression is given. Third term is given. So in geometric progression, the general term is ar power n minus 1. Third term is ar square, which is equal to 1764. And sum of the second and third terms. Second term is ar and third term is ar square equal to 3444. So from these two equations, we can calculate AR. AR equal to 3444 minus AR square. For AR square, substitute the value from the equation 1. So 1764. So AR is equal to 1680. Let us see how we further simplify this to get the value of A and R. Let us mark this as 3. And from equation 1 and 3, we can find the value of R by dividing the equation 1 divided by equation 3. So 1764 over 1680. So A gets cancelled and R, you will get R value as 1.05. So from equation 3, if you substitute the R value in equation 3, you will get the value of A. So 1680 divided by 1.05, which is equal to 1600. So now we got the value of R and A, that is 1600 and R is 1.05. Now we need to find the sum of the, we need to find the 50th term. 50th term means the formula is A R power n minus 1, that is A R power 49 is the 50th term. A value is 1600 multiplied by 1.05 is the R value. The whole power is 49. So on simplifying this, we get 17474.1, and it's a 50th term, so you will approximate this, so you will get 17500. This is the 50th term. Next, the graph with the equation y is equal to f of x is transformed to the graph with equation y is equal to g of x by a stretch in the x direction with the factor 0.5 followed by the translation of the vector 0, 1. The diagram below shows the graph of y is equal to f of x. On the diagram, sketch the graph of y is equal to g of x. So let's draw the diagram. First transformation is the stretching in the x direction with a factor of 0.5. So let us mark that one. So this is 0. We'll start with 0. And this 2, when x is 2 and stretched by the factor of 0.05, so you will get, it will get become 1. And the next point, x equal to 4, will become 2. So you will get these 3 points like this, and the top point corresponding to x equal to 1, it will become x equal to 0.5, and this is 3, 3 will become 1.5. So you will get these points after applying the stretching. So followed by that, you need to apply the translation. So after applying the translation, let's see how the point gets translated. 0 and 1 is the vector. So the 1 indicates it's going to be transferred or translated or shifted along the along the y-axis. So parallel to the y-axis. So this point is along the y-axis is 1. It will be shifted one step upwards because it is a positive sign. So this will move to here. And similarly, all these 3 points will move one step up, and if you consider these 2 points, it will also move one step upwards. So now we transformed, just join all the points. So this is the g of x. Next, B part is find an expression for g of x in terms of f of x. So first what we did is the stretching in the x direction with the factor 0.5. So g of x can be written as f of 2x. So 0.5 is the factor. It can be written as 1 over 2. So you'll write the 2 is the coefficient of x here. So we will write f of 2x. And next we are doing a translation, and along the y-axis, so it is plus 1. Next, question number 6. The equation of the curve is y is equal to 4x square plus 20x plus 6. Express the equation in the form y is equal to a of x plus b the whole square plus c, where a, b and c are constants. So it's completing the square format. So we will write y is equal to, take 4 commonly outside, you will get x square plus 5x. This is plus 6. So to complete the square of x square plus 5x, let's check the coefficient of x. This is 5. So divided by 2, you will get 5 over 2. So x plus 5 over 2. the whole square minus 5 over 2 the whole square. So this is the completing the square, and already 1 4 is there, we'll write that, and plus 6. Now let us simplify this. We will get 4 multiplied by x plus 5 over 2 the whole square minus 4 multiplied by 25 over 4 plus 6. So here 4 and 4 get cancelled. Negative 25 plus 6 gives negative 19. 4 multiplied by x plus 5 over 2 the whole square minus 19. So this is y. So by comparing, we will write the a, b, c value also. A is equal to 4 and b is equal to 5 over 2 and c is equal to negative 19. Hence solve the equation. 4x square plus 20x plus 6 equal to 45. So this we can solve by taking the our previous question answer, that is the 4 multiplied by x plus 5 over 2 the whole square minus 19 is equal to 45. Now take the negative 19 to the right hand side. So you will get 4 multiplied by x plus 5 over 2 the whole square equal to 45 plus 19. You will get 64. So x plus 5 over 2 the whole square equal to, now take the 4 to the other side, you will get 16. 64 divided by 4 is 16. So now take the square, you will get x plus 5 over 2 is equal to plus or minus 4. So x equal to minus 5 over 2 plus or minus 4. So x equal to minus 5 over 2 minus 4, that is minus 13 over 2 minus 5 over 2 plus 4, that is 3 over 2. Sketch the graph of y is equal to 4x square plus 20x plus 6 showing the coordinates of stationary point. You are not required to indicate where the curve crosses the x and y axis. So we have to find the coordinate of the stationary point. So from the completed square equation, y is equal to so the given equation y is equal to 4x square plus 20x plus 6 can be written as y is equal to 4 of x plus 5 over 2 the whole square minus 19. So the x part is x plus 5 over 2. We have to make that as 0 in order to get the stationary point. To make that x part as 0, we will get x value as negative 5 over 2. When x is negative 5 over 2, y is negative 19. So this is the stationary point. So now we get the minimum point. So we have to sketch the graph. It's given, it's not required to indicate whether the curve crosses the x and y axis. But let's find out where it crosses the x-axis roughly. So it will be easy for us to draw the diagram. Crosses the x-axis and y-axis. So let us say it crosses the y-axis. So x is 0. When x is 0, y is 6. Five, 10, 15, 20. Negative. And along the y-axis, let's take 1, 2, 3. -1, -2, -3. So the stationary point is -5/2, -19. You work at something like this, and it crosses the y-axis at 0,6. -5/2, -19. Next, question number 7. Prove the identity sin theta divided by sin theta plus cos theta divided by sin theta minus cos theta equal to tan square theta plus 1 divided by tan square theta minus 1. First, we'll take LCM. Sin theta cos theta multiplied by sin theta minus cos theta sin square theta minus sin theta cos theta plus sin theta cos theta plus cos square theta. So these two terms get cancelled. So you'll get sin square theta plus cos square theta divided by, so here plus is there, It is a plus b multiplied by a minus b format. So we will write it as sine square theta minus cos square theta. So in the answer we have to get tan square theta. So to get tan square theta, we will divide each and every term by the numerator as well as the denominator by cos square theta. So sine square theta divided by cos square theta will be tan square theta plus cos square theta divided by cos square theta is 1, and sine square theta divided by cos square theta is tan square theta minus cos square theta divided by cos square theta is 1. So now we got the right hand side. This is equal to, hence find the exact solution of the equation sin theta divided by sin theta plus cos theta plus cos theta divided by sin theta minus cos theta is equal to 2. From the previous question part A, it is tan square theta plus 1, tan square theta plus 1 divided by tan square theta minus 1 is equal to 2. Can be written as tan square theta plus 1. Now take the tan square theta minus 1 to the right hand side. So you will get 2 tan square theta minus 2. So tan square theta is 3. So theta is equal to, or we will write tan theta is equal to square root of 3 plus or minus. Now theta is equal to tan inverse of plus or minus square root of 3. So theta is equal to, so we need to find theta value in radians because the range of theta is given. It's between 0 to pi. So theta is equal to 1.04, or in terms of pi we will write it is pi over 3 and pi minus pi over 3, which is nothing but 2 pi over 3. So theta is equal to pi over 3 comma 2 pi over 3. 8. The equation of the curve is such that dy by dx equal to 3x power 1 over 2 minus 3x power minus 1 over 2. The curve passes through the point 3, 5. Find the equation of the curve. So dy by dx is given and we need to find the equation of the curve. So if you integrate, you will get the equation of the curve, and it passes through the point 3, 5. One point is also given. By using that, you can calculate the value of the constant c. So dy equal to 3x power 1 over 2 minus 3x power minus 1 over 2 dx. you will get y is equal to 3 x power 3 over 2 divided by 3 over 2 minus 3 x power 1 over 2 divided by 1 over 2 plus c. Let's simplify this one. So y is equal to 2x power 3 over 2 minus 6x power 1 over 2 plus c. So to find the value of c, it passes through the point 3, 5. Substitute 3, 5 in this given equation. So 5 is equal to 2 multiplied by 3 power 3 over 2 minus 6 x power 1 over 2, that is 3 power 1 over 2 plus c. So c is equal to 5 minus 2 multiplied by 3 power 3 over 2 minus 6 becomes plus 6 multiplied by 3 power 1 over 2. And these two terms get cancelled. So c is equal to 5. So the equation of the curve is from this you write y is equal to 2x power 3 over 2 minus 6x power 1 over 2 and c value is 5. The next part is find the x coordinate of the stationary point. Stationary point, to find the stationary point, we have to make dy by dx as 0. So dy by dx is given. So dy by dx equal to 3x power 1 over 2 minus 3x power minus 1 over 2 is equal to 0. Let's find out the x coordinate. So we will write this as 3 multiplied by square root of x minus 3 divided by square root of x equal to 0. Now take minus 3 over square root of x to the right hand side. So you will get 3 square root of x equal to 3 over square root of x. Now bring the square root of x to the numerator. You will get square root of x multiplied by square root of x gives x. So 3x equal to 3. So x is 1. So we need to find only the stationary x coordinate of the stationary point. So x equal to 1. The next part of the question is state the set of values of x for which y increases as x increases. So the turning point is x equal to 1. So as x increases, y had to increase. Let's check whether it's increasing or decreasing. we may get a graph like this or like this. So y is equal to 2x power 3 over 2 minus 6 multiplied by x power 1 over 2 plus 5. When x equal to 1, y is equal to 2 minus 6 plus 5, which is equal to 1. So let's take next value for x, that is 2. Y is, so we are getting 2.17. So when on the right hand side, when x increases, y is also increasing. So x is greater than 1. For the values of x greater than 1, y is also increasing. Functions of f and g are defined by f of x equal to x plus 1 over x, g of x equal to ax plus 1, where a is a constant. Find an expression for g f of x. G f of x equal to, we have to substitute f of x in g. That is, for g of x, in g of x, the expression is a. For x, we have to substitute the f of x value, a multiplied by x plus 1 over x plus 1. So since it's a 1 mark, we will not expand that one. We'll stop this. The next part is, given that g f of 2 is equal to 11, find the value of a. We know g f of x is a multiplied by x plus 1 over x plus 1. And here x value is given 2. So we will write a multiplied by 2 plus 1 over 2 plus 1 equal to 11. So a multiplied by 5 over 2. Take this minus 1 to the right hand side. So 11 minus 1 is 10. So a is equal to 10 multiplied by 2 divided by 5. So 4. So the value of a is 4. Given that the graph y is equal to f of x as a minimum point when x equal to 1, explain whether or not f as an inverse. Minimum point x equal to 1. F of x equal to x plus 1 over x let's say this is y-axis. So for any given value of y, we see 2x values corresponding to a single value of y. That is, this is a many to one function. For two different x values, you will get one y value. So you will not get an inverse. You'll get inverse only if the function is one-to-one function. It is not a one-to-one function. So f will not have an inverse. So it is not an one-to-one function. So it is given instead a is equal to 5. Find and simplify the expression for g inverse of f of x. So g of x equal to 5x plus 1 and f of x equal to x plus 1 over x. So from this g inverse of x, let's find out g inverse of x. So take y is equal to 5x plus 1. So y minus 1 divided by 5 is equal to x. When you exchange the variables, you will get y is equal to x minus 1 divided by 5. So x minus 1 divided by 5. So g inverse of f of x. Substitute the f of x in g of x. So this x is replaced by x plus 1 over x minus 1 divided by 5. So x square plus 1 minus x divided by 5x. So g inverse of f of x equal to, rearrange the equation, x square minus x plus 1 divided by 5x. Explain why the composite function fg cannot be formed. Fg is equal to ax plus 1 plus 1 divided by ax plus 1. Let's take the a value as 5x. On simplification, you will get a quadratic equation. So the domain of f does not include the whole of the range of g. The next question is, the diagram shows a cross section RASB of the body of an aircraft. The cross section consists of a sector OARB of a circle of radius 2.5 meter with center O, a sector PASB of another circle of radius 2.24 meter with center P and the quadrilateral OAPB, angle AOB is equal to 2 over 3 pi and angle APB equal to 5 over 6 pi. Find the perimeter of the cross section RASB, giving your answer correct to 2 decimal places. So we have to find the perimeter of the cross section RASB. So this is RASB. So for this you have to find out the perimeter. So we can see it is a two sectors. So this is sector of one circle and this is the sector of another circle. So if you find arc length of the first circle and arc length of this another circle, you will get the perimeter. So first let's find out the arc length. Arc length of ARB. So it is r theta for ARB. This is the radius and the angle is this part, 2.5 multiplied by, so this part is given 2 over 3 pi. So rest of the part is pi minus 2 over 3 pi. Sorry, 2 pi. 2 pi minus 2 over 3 pi. So 2.5 multiplied by 4 pi over 3. 10 over 3 pi. Let's find out the arc length of ASB. And here the R value is 2.24 and the angle is 5 over 6 pi. So on simplification we will get 11.2 pi divided by 6. So the perimeter is the perimeter of the cross section RASB is nothing but arc length ARB plus arc length ASB. So 10 pi by 3 plus 11.2 pi over 6. Giving your answer correct to 2 decimal place. So we will substitute the value of pi also. So on simplification we are getting 16.34. Correct after correcting to 2 decimal places. So the perimeter is 16.34 meter. Find the difference in area of the two triangles AOB and APB, giving your answer correct to 2 decimal places. So this is one triangle and this is another triangle. So we have to find the difference in the area of the two triangles. So from the bigger triangle, we will subtract the smaller triangle to find the difference in the area. First, we have to find the area of the triangles. So area of AOB minus area of triangle AOB minus area of the triangle APB. That's of AOB. So the radius for a triangle AOB, one side is 2.5 meter and this is also 2.5. Two sides are given and there is one angle also. So 2.5 multiplied by 2.5, that is 2.5 square, multiplied by the angle is sine 2 pi over 3 minus of, so the area of the another triangle is of and the radius is 2.24. We'll write it as square multiplied by sine, and for this the angle is 5 over 6 pi. 5 pi over 6. So on simplification, we get 1.45. 1.45. It's a meter. So the area is meter square. Find the area of a cross section RASB, giving your answer correct to one decimal place. So we have to find the area of the cross section. So we have to we need to find the complete area. First, let's find out the area of the sector. So this part we'll find it out. And for this circle, with the center as P, we'll find the area of this sector. And in between we are having this part also, that is the area between uh, the difference in the area of the two triangles which we found in our previous part of the question. The area is equal to 1.45. So to find the total area, first we need to add the area of the sector 1, area of the first circle, bigger circle with the radius 2.5, and next we have to find the area of the sector with the radius 2.24. So area of the bigger circle sector is 1 over 2. The radius is 2.5 square. And the angle is 2 pi minus 2 pi over 3. And the sector, next to sector's area is 1 over 2. And the radius is 2.24 square. And the angle is 5 pi over 6. And the difference in the area of the two triangles is 1.45. So 1 over 2 multiplied by 2.5 square multiplied by 4 pi over 3 plus 1 over 2 multiplied by 2.24 square multiplied by 5 pi over 6 plus 1.45. So we have to correct the answer to one decimal place. So on simplification, we get 21.1 meter square. The next part is find the coordinate of the minimum point of the curve. So to find the minimum point, we have to find the dy by dx and we have to make that as equal to 0. So dy by dx equal to 9 over 4. If you differentiate x square, we will get 2x minus 12. To find minimum point, make dy by dx equal to 0. So you'll get 9 over 2x equal to 12. So x equal to 24 over 9, which is equal to 8 over 3. So we need to find the coordinates. To find coordinates, let us find the y value. So when x equal to 8 over 3, y is equal to 9 over 4 multiplied by 8 over 3 the whole square minus 12 multiplied by 8 over 3 plus 18. So 9 multiplied by 64 divided by 4 multiplied by 9 minus 4 multiplied by 8 is 32 plus 18, and here it is 16. This 2 gets cancelled. So on simplification we get it is 2. So 8 comma 3, 8 over 3 comma 2 is the coordinate of the minimum point. The diagram shows the curve with the equation y is equal to 9 over 4 x square minus 12 over 12x plus 18 and y is equal to 18 minus 3 over 8 multiplied by x power 5 over 2. The curves intersect at the point 0, 18 and 4, 6. Find the area of the shaded region. To find the area of the shaded region, we have to find the area under the curve. The upper curve is 18 minus 3 over 8 multiplied by x power 5 over 2 minus the area under the curve. The lower curve is 9 over 4 x square minus 12x plus 18. So the top the upper curve is 18 minus 3 over 8 x power 5 over 2. So always check from the diagram which curve is the upper one and which is the lower one. Minus 9 over 4 x square minus 12x plus 18 multiplied by dx, and the point is 0 comma 18, so the x value is 0, and here 4 comma 6, so here x is 4, so the limit is 0 to 4. Let us integrate this one. 18 will become 18x minus 3 over 8 multiplied by x power 5 by 5 over 2 will become 7 over 2 divided by 7 over 2 minus 9 over 4 x square will become x cube over 3 minus multiplied by minus will become plus 12, x will become x square over 2, 18 will become 18x, and the limit is 0 to 4. Eighteen x minus 18x gets cancelled. So on simplification, we will get minus 3 over 8 multiplied by 2 over 7, and x value is 4, so 4 power 7 over 2 minus 9 over 4, or we can simplify this also. So 3 over 4 multiplied by 4 cube plus 12 divided by 2 is 6 multiplied by 4 square. And if you substitute 0, you will get 0 only. So we will do this part, simplification of this part. Minus 3 over 28 multiplied by 4 power 7 over 2 minus 3 multiplied by 4 square plus 6 multiplied by 16. So on simplification, we get the area as 34.29. So area of the shaded region. A point P is moving along the curve y is equal to 18 minus 3 over 8 x power 5 over 2 in such a way that the x coordinate of P is increasing at a constant rate of 2 units per second Find the rate at which the y coordinate of P is changing when x equal to 4. So it's given rate of change of x coordinate, that is dx by dt equal to 2. So we have to find dy by dt when x equal to 4. So for that, first we need to find what is dy by dx. So dy by dx is dy by dt divided by dx by dt. And dy by dx from the given equation is minus 3 over 8 multiplied by 5 over 2 x power 3 over 2 equal to dy by dt divided by 2. Dy by dt is equal to minus 15 divided by 8 multiplied by x power 3 over 2. So dy by dt is, we got one expression. We need to find dy by dt when x equal to 4. So when x equal to 4, dy by dt is equal to minus 15 over 8 multiplied by 4 power 3 over 2. So 4 power 3 over 2 is nothing but 8. So 8 and 8 get cancelled. So you'll get dy by dt equal to negative 15.